So this microphone is a studio quality, in my opinion. Depends on your studio, certainly home studio quality, cardioid condenser microphone. And the kit that it comes with is actually pretty darn good. It comes with the pop filter, as you can see here, the microphone itself. It's got monitoring, headphone jack, all built in. It's also got a little mount on the bottom. Let me show it to you that you can mount into a table stand and or table mounted stand of your choice. As you can see right here, this little mount comes with it that's mounted into this particular boom stand, which is great. And it's got USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 functionality, which is great. The build quality on the microphone is really solid. Rode is known for excellent build quality. It is a combination of metal and plastic. Now, that's actually not characteristic of Rode microphones, believe it or not, plastic and metal. Normally their microphones are all metal. Why is this one plastic and metal? I think it's so it's lighter. And so it can sit on this table stand that it comes with. Let me show you the table stand. So you can basically take this table stand. It's got this big thick screw here. It's plastic, which I didn't really like when I got it, but it's actually a single piece of plastic, which makes it more solid and lighter. So you can basically mount the microphone in there. You pop it right into the bottom of the mic, and then it can sit on top of your table if you would like it to. Now, this microphone does not sound anywhere near as good when it's far away from your mouth, just like almost every other microphone. And so I want to demo that for you. So the recommended distance from this microphone, in my opinion, is at least hang 10 distance away would be the maximum distance. You could get closer than hang 10 and you could just do thumbs up distance away if you wanted to and bring it in this close to your mouth if you wanted to. Okay, so most microphones that don't have a built-in nice custom pop filter like this, I would say keep it hang 10 distance away, but this one you can bring thumbs up distance. And listen to the way it sounds thumbs up distance. So here it is, thumbs up distance away. Sounds great, right? Nice full bass range, nice clean mids. Good highs too. Good highs on this microphone. I really like the highs. Then you move it away to hang 10 distance away. As you can hear, some of that clarity, some of that bassiness, some of that fullness begins to erode, but it still sounds good. Then let's move it 1 foot away. Watch what happens. It's a huge difference. Just 1 foot away. I'm going to turn up the volume on it actually now. This is 1 foot away from the microphone. I have to turn up the volume to compensate. Now this is 1 foot away with the microphone. So the reason why I'm demoing that is that the table stand that comes with it, you're probably going to have this microphone about 18 inches away to 2 feet away if you use the table stand. So you're going to get that audio that you just heard a moment ago, the 18 inches to 2 feet away audio. Not this audio with it close to your mouth. So if I were to recommend a configuration for this mic, I'd say you need to eat this mic. Get it thumbs up distance away from your mouth to maximize audio quality. What are the recommended applications for this? I would say it's great for business calls. It's great for podcasts where you're by yourself in your space. Just be careful with room noise. So let's talk about that. So this mic does an okay job of isolating noise. It does an okay job, but if you are not in an acoustically treated space, you may want to consider a different microphone than this one. You may want to consider a dynamic microphone instead of a cardioid condenser microphone. So you get to hear yourself through the microphone with zero delay. And you get to hear the other person that's talking on the other side or the audio or whatever it is you're listening to with zero delay. And the knob on the side allows you to select how much of yourself versus how much of the other person you want to hear in the mix. Some people hate hearing themselves, so you can choose that by turning this knob all the way over to the other side like this. And some people don't want to listen to much of the other person. They only want to hear themselves. Cool, whatever. Do that. You get to choose which mode you're doing right here in the microphone. This mic normally goes for $300. Or the retail price on this is $300. Right now on Amazon, it is 43% off. Go take a look at the listing. If you're not buying it, just put it in your cart. It's 43% off right now. Pretty good.